Everyone, and welcome to Cyber War. Today we're playing with Google Notebooks with Google Colab to make to connect to OpenAI. So let's see how that goes. Just started a new notebook. I imported this code here from a page. I'm going to link it, and I want the API key. I'm going to prompt for it. Let me create a key. Test Colab. We put whatever we want. This key will not be valid when I publish the video. So you see how it prompted me for it, right? And it's here. Okay, so we have this code here. And to the output, let's add another block of code. So this one will generate an image. Let me try it. So I have the prompt here. Now I can make it input. So, but let's use it like this, and then we'll improve it maybe in the next video. Just today I don't have time for a full video. And here you go. Right. This is the fastest way to right. And card in I think it should work. I don't know if the input damaged it, but if you're not familiar with the notebooks, I have a video before this one where I play with a notebook, following inspiration from. Right, so you have the image from Bellingcat. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. And that's, I have a key here. Will never be used unless somebody, although stupid because I can't see it. Don't worry. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be working to improve this collab. Let me know if you want to share it. Actually, I will share it in the description. Have a wonderful day. Oh, last thing, I got the inspiration from this blog right here. So I'm gonna also link it. All right.